Okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. And wala pa akong coffee. Actually, gusto kong lumabas para bumili ng coffee pero I was like, okay, daily collective muna tayo. Daily collective muna tayo. Hello my dear. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome or welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa akin, my name is RJ, your tarot card reader or your card reader. Okay, medyo magdadahan-dahan ako magsalita ngayon kasi hindi ako nilagay ng glue on my teeth. Walang glue. Okay, because parang yung glue is nakakauta. Okay, let me see. Let's go na tayo. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? And kagaya po na sinasabi ko, sa tamang panahon, sa tamang oras, hahanapin ka po ng reading na ito. Okay? Hahanapin ka po ng reading na ito. Let's go tayo, collective. Good morning! Let me see what is going on with the world, mama. We have your energy of family. Family, family, family. We are family. Yun ang nakukuha ko. We are family. Or I treat you like a family. Yun ang nakukuha ko. We are family. I treat you like a family. Yun ang nakukuha ko, yun yung energy. Ikaw yun. Parang sinasabi mo na, trinato kita bilang pamilya. Hindi ka na iba sa akin. Parang ganon. I love you like my own son or my own daughter or parang hindi ka na iba sa akin. Okay, yun na nakukuha ko dito. Or maybe you are repairing to your kapamilya talaga. Okay, yun na nakukuha ko dito. Or sinasabi mo sa asawa mo na, pamilya tayo. Parang ganon. No? Yun yung pinaka-highlight na energy. We are family. Okay, yun na nakukuha ko dyan. We are family. Okay, we have your energy of objective, energy ng goal. Dapat tayo ay all together. Dapat iisa tayo eh. Ibig sabihin, support system. Parang ganon. We are family over here. Your intention, the target, okay, tulong-tulong, parang ganon. We can do this together. Ganon na energy ang nakukuha ko dito. I left before you could leave me. Kaso bakit? Why? Bakit bigla kang nawala? Bakit bigla mo kong iniwanan sa ere? Parang ganun yung energy, my dear. Okay? Meron akong, yung pangarap ko, kasama ka. You are with my plan. Okay? Yun ang sinasabi mo dito. Kasama ka sa mga plano ko. Kasama ka. Pero bakit? Bakit parang bigla ka nawala? Bigla ka nagbago? Bigla ka nag-change? And habang sinasabi ko ito, nararamdaman ko yung pain. The pain na parang trinaydor ka. The pain na parang you betrayed me. Why? Paano mo nagawa sa akin yun? That you betrayed me. Trinaydor mo ko. Parang ganun na energy, my dear, ha? Okay, so we have family, goal, and I left you before you could leave me. Ibig sabihin parang sa kabilang side is more parang ganun din naman eh. Maghihiwalay din naman tayo. So, alis na lang ako. Okay? Ganun yung paliwanag ng kabila. Let me see. We have your energy of burden of tears. We have here pagluluksa, trauma, and anino ng nakaraan. Okay? Nakaraan na to, my dear. Siguro parang sumasagi lang sa isip mo ngayon, my dear, na parang bakit ganon? Maganda yung intention ko sa ating dalawa o sa pamilyang ito. Pero bakit ganon? Bakit mo ginawa sa akin to? Yun na nakukuha ko na energy. You're asking question kung bakit nagawa sa'yo ng tao na ito, my dear, na parang iwanan ka sa ere. Okay, iwanan ka sa ere, pabayaan ka. Okay, sa kabila ng mga nangyayari. Okay, let me see. Move tayo sa different card. We have here, they are all part of the show. They are all part of the show. So, ang nakukuha ko dito, my dear, it's more on lahat ng pinakita niya sa'yo, lahat ng pakikisama na ginawa niya sa'yo, lahat ng love, possible na fake. It is just more on a part of the show. Okay. Sad to say, maybe intention talaga ng tao na to, my dear, na kunin ang loob mo, and then eventually, pag nakuha na niya yung loob mo, iiwanan ka niya na sa ere. Like, bahala ka. Or baka nararamdaman mo, my dear, na ikaw lang talaga yung may determinasyon na matupad kung ano man tong plan or kung ano man tong dream na connected sa relationship, sa family. Ikaw lang yung may gusto. Nagdulot ng matinding trauma sa iyo to, my dear. Possible na nagdulot ng trust issue ito sa iyo, my dear. Bumaba ang tingin mo sa lahat ng tao sa mundo because of this incident na possible na mismong kadugo mo, mismong taong minahal mo, tao na possible na nakasama mo ng matagal, betrayed you. Niloko ka. They are all part of the show. It is just more on a show. And let us say you are the main character. Kumbaga sa teleserye, di ba? May bida, may kontrabida. And sad to say, itong, kung sino mo itong tinutukoy mo dito is part of the show. Law of attraction. Hindi to aksidente, my dear. Hindi to aksidente. Wait. Before anything else, yung law of attraction mo, you have the law of attraction. Ibig sabihin, my dear, anything that you put your energy into it, makukuha mo. So before ako mag-proceed dito sa nakukuha ko na energy, my dear, you need to scan yung mga minamanifest mo. Especially pagdating sa tao. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao ay merong magandang intensyon para sa'yo. Merong magandang dreams. Okay, we have your energy of law of attraction. Especially, my dear, sa tao. You need to be clear sa ina-attract mo. Okay? So, ang nakukuha ko dito, my dear, is like, may mga energy na tina-target ka because you are good at attracting things. Nakikita nila, my dear, that you have this law of attraction na energy. This is a form of distraction. This is a form of distraction na pag nawala sila o inabandon kanila, you will give up eventually. Susuko ka rin. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na pagpapatuloy kung ano man tong bagay na to kasi you started this goal kasama sila. But the sad reality over here is pumasok lang sa picture frame itong mga energy na to nang dahil they know that you have the power or you have yung very famous na tawag na law of attraction. You have it. And alam mo yon. Probably baka hindi mong alam, pero you can feel it. Nararamdaman mo na as long as you put your heart into it, na-attract mo yung bagay na yon. Nangyayari yung bagay na yon. Okay? Let me see. Next batch. Hindi ko na siya ayusin sa table, kumbaga ikakalat ko na lang siya. As long as, yeah. Let me see, my dear. Intention yun, my dear. It is a intentional. Pumasok sa buhay mo, nagpretend na parang, yes, we are ally, we are friends, we are family, something like that. And then eventually parang, bilang nawala. Okay? Wala kang narinig, walang something, iniwanan ka sa ere, and then nag-e-expect na hindi mo na itutuloy yung isang bagay because na wala lang siya. We have here, pray even even when you don't have words to say. Ibig sabihin, ang nakukuha ko dito is, ibig sabihin, never stop praying. Even though parang hindi mo alam kung bakit nangyayari itong mga bagay na to, never stop praying. Never stop connecting sa ating buong may kapal o sa yung main source. Okay? If you have different main source, okay, sa ating buong may kapal, sa ating creator, never stop praying. Kasi there's a tendency, my dear, na ito ang pinaka-main reason kung bakit nangyayari ito. Para mapababa itong energy mo. Okay? Sinadyang umalis, sinadyang gumawa ng mga bagay-bagay, ng mga eksena para mapababa yung energy mo. But the reality is, you don't need them. Hindi mo sila kailangan. Especially kung ayaw naman talaga nila from the very beginning na maging part ng life mo. Okay? You will be fine. You will be okay. We have here, don't forget to smile. Smile. Don't forget about it. Wag mong kalimutan. Maybe you feel sad, you feel down kasi nasaan na itong mga tao na to, nasaan na yung family, nasaan na yung friends ko, nasaan na sila, nasaan na yung asawa ko. Pero don't forget that you have a life. Don't forget na meron kang buhay. Okay, don't forget. Don't forget na meron tayong Diyos Ama that is guiding you and protecting you and supporting you. Giving you unconditional love. Siguro lang I'm just assuming, my dear, na pinaka-main reason why they pop up to your life para mas mag-rely ka sa energy nila rather than mag-rely sa energy ng source ng ating buong may kapal. Okay? Like, okay, magpa-pop up ako sa buhay ng tao na to kasi nga, 'di ba, para mag-rely siya sa akin, like mangangarap kami parehas and then sa kalagitnaan ng pangarap namin bigla ako mawawala. Plop! And then eventually wala na. Mararamdaman mo na parang, okay, iniwanan ako ng lahat, wala na nagmamahal sa akin. Pero from the very first place, my dear, hindi ka naman talaga nag-iisa. May mga tao, my dear, they take advantage of you. They take advantage sa atin. Nang dahil tulog tayo or hindi tayo gising. Okay pa, paramdam nila sa atin na parang, okay, ako lang ang mundo mo, sa akin lang magre-revolve lahat, hindi mo magagawa yan nang wala ako. Yes, probably hindi ko magagawa ito nang wala ako, nang wala ka. Pero, 'di ba, anong gagawin ko kung aalis ka na? Titigil na rin, hindi na rin ako hihinga. 'Di ba? Life must go on. Para sa mga maiiwan. Okay? We have here love affair. Okay? Are you dealing with love affair? Okay, love affair. Ibig sabihin, may third party, may mistress. Okay? May iba. Baka, from the very first place naman talaga, hindi ka talaga mahal. From the very first place naman talaga, meron lang talagang agenda. And then, nung nakuha yung agenda, or nung hindi nakuha yung agenda, or hindi nangyari yung expectation, kaya ka iniwanan. Because people na talagang minamahal ka, my dear, will never leave you through thick and thin. Ngayon, dahil nasanay ka masyado dun sa energy na lagi siya nandiyan at lagi siyang present, at na bumuo kayo ng isang pangarap na together, you have this family or I treat you as a family. Kasama ka sa lahat ng mga goals ko, sa lahat ng mga pangarap ko, and then bigla siyang umalis. Now you are begging for this person to actually stay. To the point na sinabi dito, They are all part of the show. It is just a show. Yung connection mo sa tao na to is para siyang teleserye. It's more on a show. It's more on a scripted na energy. Tatalsik pa yung ngipin ko. Okay? Relax. Relax. Kalma. Tatalsik ang ngipin mo. Walang pollen. We have your energy of lucky, blessing, miracle. You have this energy, my dear. You will be forever blessed. You will achieve itong mga goal mo kahit mag-isa ka lang. Or you will find people that will truly support you dito sa goal na to. People can leave. People can come and go. Pero itong energy ng law of attraction, itong energy ng blessing, you will always have it. Itong connection mo sa ating buong may kapal, sa ating creator, it will never fade. Hindi ito mawawala, my dear. Kahit anong mangyari, it will never fade. And ilagay mo yan, my dear, sa puso at sa isip mo, my dear, na itong energy na to is meron ka nito since the day that you were born. Kasama mo to, kadugtong to ng puso. Kadugtong to ng pusod mo. La! Sorry! Nakakahiya! Okay, let me see, my dear. Huwag kasi magalit. Huwag kasi magalit, tatalsik ang effing. Okay, we have here. We have your energy ng weird, stalker, spy, background checking, and CCTV. Yes, wala na sila, pero they are watching. They're watching struggle, mag-struggle ka. They're watching you cry. They're watching you 24/7. Nag-a-update, nagtatanong-tanong, kumusta na si ganito, kumusta na si ganyan. Kasi nga, my dear, gusto nila makita what will happen after niya, or nila umalis sa buhay mo. Okay, after mangyari yung eksena na yon, na parang we build this dream together, and then all of a sudden biglang, goodbye. Ayun o, CCTV, stalker, spy. They are watching. They, she, he, she, where, who are watching. Diba? Last 4 cards. Basta always remember this, my dear. Itong energy ng law of attraction, be careful ka dito sa power na to. Be careful who you attract or what you attract into your life. Always remember that you will always be blessed and may miracle sa life mo. You have the gift of luck. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na meron ka nitong mga bagay na ito is immune ka na sa mga problema. Yes, mararamdaman mo pa rin. Pero, just stay connected. Stay connected sa ating buong may kapal. Always pray. Even you don't have words to say. Always pray even when you don't have words to say. Always stay connected sa Kanya. Okay? Kasi siya lang talagang kailangan mo, my dear, sa totoo lang. Yes, we need people around us, pero we don't need fake people. Ayaw natin na mga ganyan. Ayaw natin yung mga tao na merong hidden agenda. Ayaw natin yung mga tao na merong mga kung ano-ano, na parang mga fake smile, fake energy, fake. Ayaw natin yan. We don't need that. Hindi natin kailangan yan. Okay? Ilan na binalatag ko? love affair, law of attraction, smile, pray even you don't na. Wala pa siguro. Wala pa. Sige, stick tayo sa 4 cards. Okay, sorry, masyado kasi ako nakikarried away every time na naggaganito ako. Like I can feel it. Kung nakikita ninyo ako, my dear, na very, very expressive ako, hindi ako galit. It is just more on parang nararamdaman ko lang talaga yung energy. I can feel it actually. Parang kahit hindi siya nangyari sa akin, nararamdaman ko na parang nangyayari siya sa akin. No, sorry, meron naiirita sa akin na parang ang OA, very expressive, galit na yan, napipikon na yan, yung mga... No, my dear, it is just more on nararamdaman ko yung, every time na nagre-read ako, nararamdaman ko yung emotion, yung feeling, okay? Yung feeling, okay? No, tingnan natin. Let me see. Last 4 cards, my dear. Last 4 cards, add pa tayo. Let us just add more. Last 4 cards para sa ating mga collective, para sa ating daily collective, okay? Train yourself to be alone. Once again, nangingilabot ako, be. Biglang tumayo yung mga balahibo ko. Ang taas ng balahibo ko. Train yourself to be alone. Naka-reverse yan sa'yo kasi naka-front camera ako. Kasi gusto ko makita yung itsura ko kung, diba? Okay ba ako? Okay? So, train yourself to be alone. Kasi you are not 100% na alone. Possible sa physical na mundo, pakiramdam mo you are alone, pero sa spiritual na mundo, you are not alone. You will never be alone. Last 3 cards. Somebody wants you dead. Once again, somebody wants you dead. Kasi ito naman yung pinaka-purpose from the very beginning. To eliminate you. Papasok yung mga tao sa buhay mo, sasaktan ka, and then ini-expect nila na gagawa ka ng katangahan dahil nawala lang sila. Ini-expect nila na ihinto yung mundo. Just imagine it, pag tinanggal yung dreams mo, yung goal mo, yung life mo, ano mangyayari sa'yo? Diba? Para ka lantang gulay. And hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin yung energy. Somebody wants you dead. Somebody wants you eliminated. Ganun pa rin. And you don't need this kind of people sa life mo, my dear. Hindi mo kailangan ng ganitong klase ng mga tao, my dear. Sa life mo, sa circle mo, sa group mo, you don't need this kind of people. Next, dagdag pa tayo ng konti. Last 2 cards. Kala ko may nag-flip. Kagaya ng sinasabi ko, my dear, sa tamang panahon, sa tamang oras, hahanapin mo or hahanapin ka ng reading na ito. Masyadong marami. Last 2 cards. Last 2 cards. We have here pagkabigo. Somebody's praying na mag-fail ka in your life. Kahit wala na sila, kahit hindi mo na sila nakikita, or kahit hindi mo nakikita, somebody out there is praying for you hindi maganda, not in a good way, in a bad way. May mga energy out there na ayaw ka nila maging successful. They don't want you to be successful. Okay? Pero always remember, my dear, that you are guided, you are protected, you are loved. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, last card. And people come and go, my dear. Hindi tayo sabay-sabay aalis sa mundong to. So, train yourself to be alone. Train yourself that people come and go. Iba-iba lang yung exit. Iba-iba lang yung pag-alis. Okay? Merong natsuchugi, merong nangangaliwa, merong bigla na nawawala, merong away muna nangyayari. Iba-iba lang yung exit, my dear. Pero that is the nature ng mundong to. Masakit man, pero that is the reality of this planet. Planet Earth. Okay, palit tayo ng card. Parang masyadong maano to. Tapos kunin natin yung nilagay natin kanina. Let me see, my dear. Last card na lang tayo. And I always pray and I pray, I wish na lahat ng reading na ginagawa ko is nagiging helpful sa lahat ng nakakapanood nito. I have clean intention habang ginagawa ko to. For guidance purposes, for clarity, makatulong. Okay? May dalawang card na nahulog. We have here, witchcraft. Di lang natin masyadong itataas yung kilikili natin kasi, di ba, hindi tayo confident. Although hindi naman yan maitim, pero hindi ako confident na magkatataas ng kilikili. Okay. We have your energy ng witchcraft, okay? Pero gustong-gusto ko yung mga ganitong mga ano, no? Kasi nga mainit, summer, okay? Pero wala talaga akong confidence. Para! Wala talaga tayong confidence doon. We have your energy of witchcraft, my dear. Lahat na sinakop na ng reading na to, my dear. Probably they are doing witchcraft on you. Probably lahat ginagawa ng strategy, my dear. Pero, kagaya na sinasabi ko, my dear, you are protected. You are blessed. May mga miracles na nangyayari sa life mo. Stay connected sa ating main source. Okay? And last card natin is, hindi lahat kailangan patulan. Sayang ang energy mo. Once again, hindi lahat kailangan patulan, sayang ang energy mo. Ibig sabihin, your energy is very precious. Don't waste it. Walang masamang umiyak, pero piliin mo, my dear, yung mga iiyakan mo. Walang masamang magalit, pero piliin mo kung kanino mo ibibigay ang mga energy mo na yan. Walang masama na maging masaya, pero piliin mo kung kanino mo i-share yung happiness na yan. Okay? It's really important kung saan mo nilalagay ang energy mo. Once again, hindi lahat kailangan patulan, sayang ang energy mo. Okay? So, my dear, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa ginawa natin na reading today. This is our daily collective reading. I will try my very best, my dear, na makapag-daily reading every day. Meron din tayong personal life, meron din nangyayari sa buhay natin. So, I will not promise that I will do this every day, but I will try, okay? And always remember, my dear, na mali. Tanging dasal ko, na sabi ko kanina, tanging dasal ko, tanging hangarin ko ay makatulong lamang po. 'Di ba? Ang wish ko, ang pray ko is makatulong lamang po sa basta yun na yon. And always remember, my dear, na ang mga cards natin ay gabay lamang po. Tayo pa rin po ang gumagawa ng ating kapalaran. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.